So where are the Google messages on the iPhone? Let me explain the whole thing, and if it's your first time on Foxtecc, subscribe and you'll never miss anything important. So especially if you're switching from an Android device where you can just browse your home screen and find plenty of different apps, including the Google messages, right, which is pre-installed on my device. And on the iPhone, like if you switch to iPhone, you might be wondering where exactly the Google messages are. And it's not really the case anymore because the Google messages per se are not available on the iPhone because the app to make and send text messages is the Apple Messages app. We're like switching the platforms entirely, and the way to send text is through this green text message bubble, and this is probably the only way you can really send text messages, whereas on Android we had the ability to use like Google Messages or Samsung Messages, whatever, but we don't have that same option in here. However, if you would like to still get a messaging app made by Google, you can go to the App Store, right? So you click on the A icon and you can look up Google Chat, which is not technically the same thing as Google Messages. You can see the logo is different. It's like green, but it's kind of like a messaging or chatting platform, which you can still get on the iPhone and of course sign in with your Gmail account and so on. But yeah, it's a little bit of a different thing, but I guess that might be the option which you are looking for. So of course it works on the iPhone and iPad, and it's freely available just like all of the other Google apps. So you can definitely install it, get inside, and you can just text with people and so on. So that's how it would work. That's the only Google messages you can really get on the iPhone. So I hope that I was able to explain it. If you would like to see some more similar explanation videos and stuff like this in the future, subscribe for more, and I'll see you in the next uploads.